Hello, and today we'll be checking out the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace seller price comparison plugin that basically allows the marketplace vendors to add the same product that already exists in the marketplace itself. And using this, the vendors can assign a new price, quantity, and conditions such as new or used to the products there. Apart from that, the vendors can also update the assigned products and can also delete them thereafter. Kindly note that this particular plugin is an add-on to the Webkul's multi-vendor marketplace module. So to make use of this seller price comparison plugin, you'll have to have that first. And also note that the custom options will not work with the seller price comparison module. And this plugin basically works with the simple, virtual, and the configurable product types that are there. So I'll just take you through the workflow of this particular plugin at the customer's front, and then we'll be seeing how the marketplace vendors will be able to add their product that is already within the marketplace itself, and how they can set up the price for the same. But before that, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace web store front end, and here I'm on one of the products, that's the digital camera. So just below the price here, you can see that it says available from 2 more sellers. Now as a customer, for example, I'm going to purchase a product, and you basically find this kind of a thing on the Amazon there, or on the eBay as well, wherein the same product is being sold out by multiple sellers with having different pricings as well. So the same functionality has been incorporated within this multi-vendor marketplace web store by the seller price comparison plugin. So if we tap here on the option here, that's the available from 2 more sellers, then the customers can see that this particular product is being sold by 2 more sellers. So here the customers can see the seller name, the ratings for the same, the availability of this product, whether is it in stock or out of stock, the information regarding the product, that's whether it's a new one or a used one. So here you can see that one of them is a used one, and the other seller is selling it as a new one. Apart from that, you can see the price that has been set up by both of the sellers, and from here the customers can basically set up the quantity and can add the product to the cart. So for example, if as a customer I want to purchase it from this one, I can do so if I find that the price is much higher and these two are providing a much lower price, and this one is the new one, then I can add the $90 one into the cart and can make a checkout thereafter. So here the customers can basically do a price comparison and can select a respective seller so as to make a checkout thereafter for that particular product. So the same product is being sold out by multiple sellers. Now here you can also for example hover your mouse and you can find the info for the particular product, and if I tap here on this one, then the images of the product would be visible to the customer, and the same goes for the other vendor as well. I can tap here, for example, and I'll be able to see the particular product. Now let's see how now a customer can add it to the cart and make a checkout. So I'll just tap here in the add to cart for the Watson shop. So I'll just tap here on the add to cart button. This would now be added into the cart. So here the main product was the unique shop who was selling it out, so that was the actual seller, and these are the rest of the sellers that are selling out the same product that the actual product owner was selling out. So I've added it to the cart, as you can see here, the digital camera, and we can now proceed further to make a checkout there, and we can easily make a checkout as a customer there. So and on the checkout here, the customer can log into his account and can place the order for the same. Now let's go to the vendor end, and let's see how the vendors would be able to add their own products for the product that is there already within the marketplace store. So for that, let me log into the vendors account panel now. So here I'm at the storefront, and I'll be logging into my window account by entering my username and password and then tapping here on the login button. And from here, from the drop down, I'll just tap here on the my account option so as to access my marketplace account options. So here on the left hand side, or within this marketplace section, I'll have to navigate to the section that's the okay, we have to go to that option, and that's the manage assigned product, this one, manage assigned product. And under that we have two more options. One is the assigned product and the assigned product list. So let's open them up into different windows, and we'll be going to the options there. So let's first go to the assigned product there. So here you can see that we are in the marketplace assigned product, and from here the marketplace vendor can search for a product that's there already within the marketplace. So we'll be choosing, for example, the next gen t-shirt, and I'll be searching this product that's there already within the marketplace. So here you can see that the product has been populated here, the image, name, the price, and the sell yours button under the actions column. So that's how you can search first the product, and then you can sell yours. And now to sell your product, that's the same one, you'll have to tap here in the sell yours button, and that will bring up the marketplace assigned product section here. Here's the main product, that's the next gen t-shirt for $1,100. And here we have the assigned product section, from where the vendor can assign his own product for the one that's there already. So here you'll have to choose the product condition, whether it's a new one or a used one. Then you'll have to set up your description for the product. And right now you can see that this is a configurable product, and we have the variations as well here, like the color option blue, black, and off-white. So after entering your description, you'll have to set up the associated products. And kindly note that you'll have to set the quantity and price 0 in case you don't want to assign the product. Now for the product name here, we'll be able to set up the quantity for each, and we can set up the price for each as well. So that's up to your own requirement, and accordingly you can set up the price and the quantity for each of the products there. And you can also add an image for your product that you're going to sell. So this product is already there within the marketplace, and now you're trying to sell the same product. So you'll be and you can add basically multiple images as well as per your requirement here. And after you have set up your assigned product, you'll have to tap here in the save product button, and that would basically save your product. So so the product has been saved, as you can see here, with the success message. And now we have been redirected to the marketplace assigned product list. So under this we had the assigned product, where we can assign the product, and then we have the assigned product list. So after creating your or assigning your product, you'll be navigated to the marketplace assigned product list. Now here you can see the thumbnail, the one that we have uploaded. Here's the name of the actual product, and the same product we are going to sell as well. So we'll be listed on that actual products page as well. So here's the description, the price, the quantity, the status, the condition, and from here the vendor can delete or edit the particular assigned product. If I tap here in the edit, we'll have to tap OK on the prompt, and then we'll be able to edit this particular assigned product. So here we can see that we have the product and the rest of the details for the same. And after saving the product, you can just tap here on the save product button. Now coming back to the section, that's the assigned product list. Let's come back to the assigned product list, and let me show you that first. Now if I go to the product, that's the next gen t-shirt. Let's open that product on the web store. So this was the actual product, if you remember, with the blue color, and the price was 1,000. $100, and here we have the options for the same. Now as a vendor, I'm selling the same product, so here you can see that it says available from one more sellers. So if I tap on that, you can see here we have the shopper's mart, the seller, his ratings, the availability, whether it's in stock or not, the information, the product is new. This is the information, the description for the product there. So I'd set it as test. This is if I tap on that, we'll be able to see the particular image for the same, and here we can see the price of the product as $1,111 there. And from here the customer can now choose whether he want to purchase from this seller or this seller. So a price comparison can be done for the same product that is being sold by multiple vendors within the marketplace itself, along with what we say as the information, like whether it's a new product or a used one, and the price as well. Now let's go to the admin backend panel and let's see what different initial configuration settings are there for this marketplace seller price comparison plugin. And now let's go back to the admin backend panel first. Also, kindly note that the assigned products have their own per country or the continent wise shipping price, and a seller can create multiple assigned products, and admin products can also be assigned there, and the assigned products are having the information, and that information, it can be added by the admin as well from the backend panel. And now let's log into the admin backend panel, and first let's see the initial configuration settings for the same, and then I'll be giving you some examples as well. So you can see that I've logged into my admin backend panel, and and after the successful installation, basically you'll have the marketplace management, and this is the add-on. The price comparison is an add-on to the marketplace management, so you'll have to navigate to the marketplace management first, and then you can go to the manage assigned product section. So here the marketplace admin would be able to manage the assigned products itself, and here you can find the seller name, the products that have been assigned, the price, the quantity, the status, and the admin can also view the assigned products as well by tapping on the view link. And from here the admin can approve or disapprove any of the assigned products as required by choosing the approve or disapprove from the drop down here for each of the respective products, or in bulk as well. Apart from that, the admin can view any of the assigned products. So for example, if I open this Nikon 8x zoom, and we'll be able to see the product information, like here we have the product name, the product owner, assigned by, the quantity, the price in US dollars, and the status. So from here as well, the admin can approve or disapprove assigned product. So let's go back. So that was about how we can manage the assigned products under the marketplace management. We'll have to navigate to the manage assigned product section. Now coming to the initial configurations, we'll navigate to stores and then configuration, and on the configuration page under the Webkul block, we'll have the option to make the initial configuration settings for the plugin itself. So here under the Webkul block, you can see we have we'll have to scroll down. We have the assigned product option. So after you've installed the seller price comparison marketplace for plugin, you'll have the assigned product option. Now here you can see that we have the assigned product settings, and here we have some settings, as you can see. So let's go through each of them one by one. So the very first one that we have here is the show the minimum price on the product page. So you can choose it as a yes or a no. So if you choose it as a yes, then you can display the minimum price on the product page. Otherwise, if you choose it as a no, then the minimum price would not be shown on the product page. So if I go back here to the product here, you can see that here's the basic price. And if we set that option as a yes, then if the other sellers are having a price lower than the actual one, then what we say as the minimum price would be then shown there on the product page itself. So then we have the product approval required. So here you can choose it as a yes or a no. So from here the admin can moderate the assigned product approval. So if you choose it as a yes, then the product approval is required before it is being published there. Otherwise, if you choose it as a no, then as soon as the vendors assign a product, that would be automatically set up. Then we have the option that's the product edit approval required. So whenever the marketplace vendors are editing their assigned product, whether you want to have an approval for that as well. So you can choose a yes for the approval, otherwise a no. No would what choosing a no would do is that if the marketplace vendor has updated his assigned product, then it would directly be reflected there. Otherwise, it would first be moderated by the admin, and only after the approval would that be updated. Then we have the assigned product to seller with. So basically this setting will be used when the main seller deletes the product. So here we have the assigned product to seller with. So here we have the option with minimum price, with maximum price, with minimum quantity, and with maximum quantity. So for these four options are there for the assigned product to sellers with option. So for example, for this one, for example, if there's a product called as a test from seller A, and which is assigned to three different sellers, a seller B having the price as 50 and quantity as 100, a seller C having the price as $60 and the quantity as 200, and a seller D having the price as $70 and the quantity as 300. Now if the original product is deleted by the main seller, then the conditions will follow. For example, if we are chosen with minimum price, then the test product will become the main product for the seller B and for the rest of the sellers, and it will be an assigned product. So basically the test product will become the main product for the seller B. Now in the case when we have chosen with maximum price, then if the product will become the main product for seller D, and for the rest of the sellers it will be an assigned product. So for the maximum price with minimum quantity, if this is selected, then the test product will become the main product for seller B, and for the rest of the sellers it would be an assigned product. And lastly, if you have chosen it as with maximum quantity, then the test product would become the main product for the seller D, and for the rest of the sellers it would be an assigned product. So according to the minimum price, minimum quantity, and the maximum quantity, this would be checked with the actual product, and according to that, if the initial actual owner of the product deletes the product, then which one should get the authority to have it as the main product. So you can choose it from this particular option here. Then you can set up the admin name and the admin email here that is used to communicate the emails. Then you have the add product message for email. So here you can set up the what we say as the add product message for the email that would be sent out, and similarly you can also set up the edit product message for the email. So here you can see that we have set it as, I would like to inform you that recently I assigned a new product in the store. Please approve the product as soon as possible. So this would be sent out to the marketplace admin there, so that he can make an approval itself. And lastly, you'll have to just tap here in the save configuration button to save the initial configuration for the product itself. And we've already shown you how we can assign the configurable product. We can also assign a virtual product that is already there within the marketplace store, or a simple one. So this plugin helps us to assign the products that are there within the marketplace store already. And the product types that can be used are the simple, virtual, and the configurable one. And kindly note that it won't be supporting the custom options of the products there. So that was much about the plugin itself, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, or suggestions, then kindly reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com. And one more thing is there that I just wanted to show you this particular thing. You can check it from the user guide as well for a better understanding, and from the live demo that I've attached within the description below of this particular video, you can go through that as well for any clarifications. And I've already given you the support and the ticket link that can be used to reach back to us. And For example, for the simple product, this is a simple product here, and if the admin has set up the show minimum price of the product is set to no, then what happens is that the original price of the product would be displayed on the product page itself. So for the no option in the configuration, when we have set up the show minimum price of the product there, it is chosen as a no, then the original price of the product would be displayed on the product page itself, and below that you'll be able to see available from one more sellers if one seller is there. So here you can see that actually this price was lower, but we had chosen it as no, so this the original price is visible there, and not the what we say as the less product cost is not being displayed. Now similarly, if this option show minimum price of the product page is set to yes, then the case one that comes up is, for example, if a new condition product offers the minimum price. So we have a new condition product that offers the minimum price, then what happens is that the minimum price of the new product will be displayed on the product page and the other seller products will be shown below. So here you can see that this is a new one, and it has the lowest price, so it's not showing 45 right now, but 35, that's the lowest price for a new one. And here's the original one, the 45 one that was there already. Now the customers can thereafter basically add the minimum price to the cart and can make a checkout thereafter. Now the other case is that if the used condition product offers a minimum price. Now we have what we say as the minimum price product, but the condition for it is used. So if the product with the minimum price of used condition, then the product price will be visible of the minimum price product of new condition. All right, and here you can see that we have the from $30, it is being shown here, and here's the used one for $30. That's why that particular one is being shown here for the used product and the minimum price for the same. And thereafter the admin or the customer basically can add the product to the cart and then can make a checkout thereafter. Now for the configurable product, for example, on the product page for the configurable product, you'll have to select a variation to show the availability for the in stock or the out of stock there, and the price and the add to cart button. And after you've chosen the color options there, according to that, then you'll be able to see the from values, the price that is starting for a new one. For example, we have the new for $80, so that's why here the actual product was for $200, but one more seller is selling it out and it's in stock, it's a new one, and the price is the minimum one. So this particular what we say as the amount is being displayed here from, and first you need to choose the color options, and only after that you'll be able to see the values for the from here and the available from one more sellers. So that was much about the plugin itself, and thanks for watching the video, and have a great day ahead.